This video will walk you through how to create a course outside of an LMS integration and enroll students. Click Create a Course. Give your course a name, and you can choose to enable sections at this stage, and sections are really useful for versioning of assessments and student grouping. This can also be enabled later. Click Create Course. Next, we're going to enroll students, and I'm going to upload a CSV file here. When you upload your CSV file, our system pulls student information and then asks you to verify the data that we found. Make sure that each column corresponds to the correct category. Anything that is not relevant can be set to ignore. Click Continue. Then click Save. At any stage, you can add or remove students from the course roster. By clicking the red X here, you will disenroll students, and disenroll students do not get deleted from the course roster, so the record of their enrollment and any completed assessments will remain intact. And you can always re-enroll them by selecting Re-enroll.